Cei Connah di sgorio 6 gol nos Fawrth yn erbyn Caernarfon. Y Barri di ildio 6 yn erbyn y Seintiau Newydd. Danny Davies ar croesiad. Y Bale yn rhydd yn y cwrt. Declan Poole ar cynnig ac oddi ar y llinell gan Luke Cooper yn y diwedd. Dihangfa i'r Barri. Peniad gan Luke Cooper. Danny Davies. Hwna'n un hawdd i Chris Hugh i ddelio hi, ond mae o'n cam ddarllen hwnna'n llwyr. A Aaron Williams di dwy'n y Bale yn dda. Williams. Lewis yn ei gosod si i Michael Wilde a gynta'n gyrru'r Bale dros y trawst. Ydych chi'n disgwyl i chwaraewr o safon Wilde sgorio yn fanna. Declan Poole wastad yn awyddus i ymosod, chwilio am Wilde. McDonald ar Bale yn rhoi ti syth yn ôl i'r tîm cartre. Declan Poole, digonydd amser gan Poole i groesi ac anelu at Michael Wilde ar peniad i gefn y rhwyd. 22 o funudau wedi chwarae, 15fed gol y tymor i Wilde am beniad oedd honna. Os na arf peryclach na thalcen Michael Wilde yn uwch gyngrair Cymru. Williams, McDonald yn grin y dacl yma Bale gan Dans. Williams di aros ar lawr. Dans ar draws y cwrt, dyma gyfle i Danny Davies fan hyn. Davies yn taro'r postyn, ond mae'r defarnwr yn pwyntio at y smotyn. Y dacl yn hwyr gan Luke Cummings. Mi fethodd o'r Bale yn llwyr i ddechrau fo'i. Davies ar ergyd, ond Luke Cummings yn ei lorio fo. Hanner awr ar y cloc, cyfle i Callum Morris, ddyblu'r fantais. Lewis yn arbed, yn ardderchog yn isel i'w chwith. Oedd hi reit yn y gornel gan Callum Morris, a Lewis yn ymestyn pob cyhyr i arbed honna. Cummings, y tafliad hir, Patton, y flic ymlaen ar Bale yn taro'r postyn. Mi oedd Nat Jarvis yno, ond dwi'n credu mai oddi ar Johnny Hunt y doth hi yn gwiro oddi ar postyn ei hun. Cooper, y Bale hir i gyfeiriad Jarvis, a mae'n syrthio at Bird! Bird ar yr hanner foli, do ddim yn bell. Techneg gwych gan Bird, fydda hwnna wedi bod yn dipyn o gol. George Horan i fewn yn galed, dim trosedd yn ôl y dyfarnwr. Horan di aros o'r lawr, Bird allan at Cottrell. Bird unwaith eto, Horan di codi bellach, y croesed i fewn, Hatch Jarvis ar peniad! Oedd hi'n syth at y golwr, am gyfle i'r Barri, nioni'r sgôr. Jarvis oedd yno, ond Byrne yn sefyll yn gadarn. Cottrell at Bird, cyffyrddiad llac gan Bird, Aaron Edwards yn rhyddhau Aaron Williams i lawr y dde. Da ni yn yr eiliadau ola, os na gyfle hwyr fan hyn i Cei Connah. Williams yn cael ei annog i fynd ei hun, ond yn mynd ar draws gol, a Morris yn taro'r postyn. A dyna'r chwiban ola.
They've cleared one off the line after 10 minutes from Declan. Wildy's put one over the bar. We've missed the penalty. We've had 2 other good chances in the first half, and as difficult as it is to move the ball on our pitch, at 2-0, there's no team that are going to be able to come back into it when they're 2-0 down against us.
I just thought we were combative today, we were honest, and they were the same. And it made for a game which was a bit of a throwback. All right, it's not a typical game you see in the Cymru Premier League. It was a throwback game today. Of the pitch ain't great. In fact, it's very poor, and I think Connah deserve better, if I'm being honest, as the reigning champions. But both teams made the best of it, and it made for a combative spectacle. So yeah, I'm disappointed to go down the road with nothing, but I'm proud of the performance.
Looking back at the goal itself, it was clever play by Mike Wilde, wasn't it?
Listen, I just said in my own interview, there's no other striker that scores that goal. Uses his body to be able to get across. He doesn't wait for it. He actually manipulates the defender and then it's a fabulous header, and nobody else can score that goal.
The goal that's decided the game is probably not scored by any other striker in the Cymru Premier League. That's my honest opinion. I think it's an excellent goal from their perspective. Disappointing from mine, but I don't think there's many other strikers in the league that score that goal.
Bala home on Tuesday, and the big one then on Saturday, the Scorio Live game away to TNS.
The big one's Tuesday. No, the big one's Tuesday. We've achieved something again today. We've qualified for Europe for the sixth year on the spin since I've been at the club now, and we've done it with 7 games left to play. And I've got a lot of time for Barry. There's a tight-knit group there, and they're a very good team that have been in Europe the last 2 years. And I think we're 24 points clear of them. and for us to be that clear with I know how good they are, I think it speaks testament about how good we've been this season. So proud that we're in Europe so early as well, but mindful we need to rest up and be ready for Tuesday night, and we've got a great run of games coming. The best set of games that I've ever had since I've been in the Welsh League 9 years now, qualified for Europe 9 years on the spin, and the next 4 games are the best group of games that I've ever been able to be involved in. I'm really looking forward to it.